Hello students, this is the most important question series for NEET of the chapter that is sexual reproduction in flowering plants part 6. In flowering plants that is part 6. So we will start question from 26 to 30. So the question number 26. So the question is, even in absence of pollinating agent, even in absence of pollinating agent, absence of pollinating agents, seed setting is assured in seed setting is assured in the options are, first one is Commelina, B. Zostera, C. Salvia, D. Fig. So without the pollinating agents, so here what happens, out of all these, the Commelina is a plant where you will find both the flowers, the aerial chasmogamous flower or open flower is there, and underground, that is, you will find the cleistogamous flowers are there. So for that, without any pollinating agent, this cleistogamous flower bring about the fertilization or the development, and there is seed setting is assured. So the correct answer is Commelina. Then 27. In 27, that is wind pollination is common in wind pollination is common in the first option is lilies, B. grasses, C. orchids, and D is legumes. So we know that in anemophilous or anemophily through the wind, so the flower are very small as well as they are found in inflorescence very large. So this characteristics very lightweight. So all these characteristics for anemophily is mainly found in grasses. So grasses is the correct answer. Then 28. Nucellar polyembryony, is reported in species of A option Gossypium, A option Gossypium, B Triticum, C Brassica, and D is citrus. So this is polyembryony, means you know that more than one embryo inside the embryo sac, and nuclear means nucleus cells. So here the structure, the embryo sac, and these are the nuclear cells, and they are diploid in nature, and if they will enter into it and develop into embryo, that is nuclear polyembryony called. And sometimes integument cells also enters, that is called integumentary polyembryony. So here what happens, so there is chances is there. So here nuclear means nucleus cells, so this is mainly found in the citrus. So citrus is the correct answer. Then this is 29 number question, that is, in which one of the following pollination, in which one of the following pollination, one of the following pollination is autogamous. So the option is genogamy, B chasmogamy, C cleistogamy, and D Jetenogamy. So following pollination autogamy exclusiveness, what we call the same flower involve bisexual flower, and it is more confirmed in this case, that is cleistogamous flower, which is closed flower. So we can 100% assure that there must be autogamy. So next question, that is 30. Apomictic embryos in citrus arise from A option synergids, B option maternal sporophytic tissue in ovule, maternal sporophytic tissue in ovule, C option antipodal cells, and D option diploid egg. So this apomictic embryo, what apomixis we have already discussed, that mimics the sexual reproduction. So mainly this apomictic embryo in citrus, particularly in citrus plants, what happens, the nuclear cells, they invade into this, and nuclear cells are the sporophytic tissue diploid in their content, they enter and develops into embryo. So here the answer is maternal sporophytic tissue maternal sporophytic tissue in ovule. So, dear students, you must write these questions. These are only 5 in numbers in every series, and try to refresh your concept in the chapter consent.